Hi friends, good morning. Today we're going to be making for our sensory video, oobleck. And we're going to use it as the thick oozy mud from going on a bear hunt. Alright, you're going to need cornstarch and some water. And then also I have some food coloring that I'm going to put into it and essential oil that is peppermint for smell. Okay, so first we're going to take a cup of your cornstarch and put it into a big bowl. Okay, and then next you're going to take your water and you're going to put 1 cup of that into the cornstarch, okay? And then you're going to want to mix it together. And at this time, you can add food coloring, essential oils. You can add styrofoam for texture. You can add little toys that you don't mind getting a little messy. So I'm adding a couple drops of the essential oil. Then I'm going to be adding pink and purple food coloring. Just be careful, it can stain clothes. So you don't have to add it. No. All right. I'm going to show you guys what I have so far. All right, and then I'm going to mix it up. All right, and then you're going to have this slime. You can, if it's too watery, you can add some more cornstarch to it to thicken it up a little bit. You're just going to keep stirring and stirring until you have the oobleck consistency you want. Ms. Yvonne, do you want to show them what you have?
Yep. I have this consistency and the color purple.
And then it's hard. And they can play with it for the thick oozy mud. It's a sensory item. You can keep it in a Ziploc baggie and play with it throughout the week. And they can be finding objects in it. They can be finding whatever you would like. All right, friends. And they can smell with that essential oil, or you can use a little bit of dish salt for that smell. You can use whatever you have that is smelly, that is liquid, that can go into the cornstarch and water. Anything else, Miss Yvonne?
This red and blue mix a pretty purplish lavender color.
And if your kiddo has some vision, they can make brown to make it exactly like the mud in the book. It's kind of like, it gets a little messy, so be careful, friends. All right, that's all from me. Anything else, Miss Yvonne?
No, you got it right.
All right, friends. It was nice talking to you. Let us know if you have any questions.